Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Odyssey gas cap. A properly functioning gas cap is crucial for your vehicle's performance and to prevent issues like an illuminated check engine light. It also helps maintain optimal fuel efficiency, saving you money at the pump. This simple repair can be done in just a few minutes, requiring no special tools or mechanical expertise. Let's get started. Before you begin, it's essential to select the correct replacement gas cap for your Honda Odyssey. You'll want to ensure it's compatible with your specific model to guarantee a proper fit and seal. Look for an original equipment manufacturer, or OEM, part, or a high-quality aftermarket option. This ensures durability and correct functionality, preventing future issues and maintaining your vehicle's integrity. Double-check the cap's specifications. Replacing your gas cap is incredibly simple. First, make sure your Honda Odyssey's engine is completely turned off for safety. Next, open the fuel door and unscrew the old gas cap by turning it counterclockwise until it comes off. Then, take your new gas cap, align it with the fuel filler neck, and screw it on clockwise. You should hear at least one click, indicating it's securely tightened. It's that easy. After successfully replacing your gas cap, you might notice your check engine light is still on. Don't worry, it typically takes a few driving cycles for the vehicle's computer system to reset and turn off the light. Drive your Honda Odyssey for a short while, and it should extinguish automatically. Remember to periodically check your new gas cap for any signs of wear or damage to ensure it continues to function correctly. This simple check helps maintain your vehicle's health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.